Our trade signals in VIP are precise. These are copy-friendly signals with specific entry, stop loss and TP levels, as you can see here. We always go for a default of 2R, 1 to 2 risk reward. These are all day trades / intraday trades with the aim of wrapping up at the end of each week. And here you can see last week's weekly report. This is taken directly from our MT4 platform, so it's automatically generated, 100% transparency. You can see last week we achieved 270 pip gain. The profit percent result you see here would depend on the lot size or position size that you set. My position sizes are fairly conservative, so you don't really want to take any notice of the percentage result here. The pips is what's important. We aim for a winning week every week. So here's an invite to join VIP. Head over to the website tradingwithanthony.com. It's free for 30 days. You gain access to our TradingView indicators, all our tutorials, our VIP signals. Click to subscribe. You will not be billed. This is a PayPal subscription that, as I mentioned, won't bill you until 30 days is up. And then it's currently $49.95 per month thereafter. If you decide this isn't for you, you can opt out. You can cancel the subscription at any time. I can't imagine that happening once you experience how successful our signals are. Just a quick diversion. Head over to the testimonials tab over here. And if you scroll down, you'll see what some of our members have been saying about our services. There's a couple of videos and plenty of feedback. So jump on board with us. Head over to the website, tradingwithanthony.com. Give it 30 days and find out how this could be a game changer for you. So with that, I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in VIP.